the future. SkyPlug Smart. Saving time, saving cost, saving lives. SkyX Platforms is introducing the SkyPlug, the safe and smart solution for light fixtures and ceiling fans installation. Integrated with the newest technologies and platforms, SkyPlug Smart is the new plug-and-play standard for smart and safe lighting connectivity. SkyPlug's technology takes only seconds to install or replace a new light fixture or ceiling fan, making it safe, easy, and convenient for the user. First-time installation takes only 2 to 3 minutes to install, and it is safe to touch. The SkyPlug Smart is integrated with all the smart features, including phone control, scheduling, dimming, voice control, working with Siri, Alexa, Google, Cortana, and SmartThings. Eco mode, emergency light, night light, color changing light. The Smart SkyX plug could be used again and again to replace and upgrade new and existing light fixtures and ceiling fans, enabling them to become plug-and-play smart fixtures. SkyPlug Smart has won the CES Innovation Award for 2023 honoree in the Smart Home category. Saving time, saving cost, saving lives. SkyPlug Smart. Power by SkyPlug.